So right now we're up against everything. We got the Rona,
It's a panoramic.
winter, so we can't really work out outside. Been locked in so much, kind of tired of home workouts. Overall, we down bad right now, and we need to come up with a game plan. First thing I gotta do is find out where I'm gonna work out. Before the apocalypse, I was training at a gym near my house and going to a track downtown. Once the apocalypse hit, gym shut down and Manhattan essentially shut down as well. So what I did initially was stick with home workouts, hit the track not too far from my apartment, and use some hills right in my neighborhood. No lie, I was doing a lot more sprint training and it was actually even better than my routine before. Thing is, by the time winter hit, I was so in love with training outdoors and tired of being home that home workouts just weren't hitting the same anymore. Alright, so check this out. I just signed up for the gym near my house again. Here's the catch. It's so crowded. In order to maintain social distancing, you have to make an appointment. You can only schedule about twice a week with about 1 hour per workout. Getting an appointment to work out might be harder than getting an appointment for the vaccine. Which is why I was super hesitant about signing up again, because if it's really inconvenient, then it goes against my whole philosophy of keeping things simple. But look, I'm on the way there right now. I'm gonna check it out and then decide from there. It was actually even better than I expected. Might even be better than before the panoramic, because everything is almost the same except it's less crowded, even cleaner, and people don't get too close to you. If anything, the appointment system makes you accountable, because if you miss it, not only can you not train that day, but you also have to reschedule. For sure, this is gonna be part of my routine for the next 4 weeks. Now that we get the training location figured out, I can actually design a schedule. Right now, I wanna focus on full body workouts based around sprinting. One of the best parts about sprint training is that not only is it a full body workout, but it also gives you the freedom to train anywhere and maximize the benefits of any location, whether it's the hill outside your house, the beach, the track, or even your living room. The ability to diversify my workouts is exactly what most of us need right now to break up the monotony and make things exciting. Here's what I plan on doing for the next 4 weeks. 1, a gym workout, which includes sprints on the treadmill, followed by 5 movements. 1 variable workout, which will either be at home or the gym, depending on what I'm most excited about that week. For example, despite being tired of home workouts right now, if it's a blizzard outside, I'm definitely more excited about training at home. And finally, 1 social workout where I invite someone to train with me, either at their gym, my gym, or someplace else. In total, this will be 3 full body workouts per week for 1 hour per session. This is something I can actually get excited about because I know I'll be switching up locations, hitting every muscle at least 3 times a week, and hanging out with friends. If you're also struggling like me to stay excited and consistent with a routine for whatever reason, which I'm assuming you are if you're watching this far into the video, I really believe that this can turn it around. Now that I know what my schedule is gonna be like, I know what exercises I can do. To be efficient, I'm gonna prioritize movements that target multiple muscles rather than isolation exercises that only target 1 or 2 at a time. If your body has been mostly sedentary the past few weeks, you don't need to do much to see results. Going back to my philosophy of keeping things simple, for the next 4 weeks, I'm gonna do 5 full body movements per workout, most of which will be related to sprinting. Although I won't go into every single movement that I will be doing, I can show you a guide for selecting your own. Nearly every single full body movement will fall under one of these categories. Squats, which are typically glute, quad, and lower back dominant. Deadlifts, which are typically hamstrings, glutes, and lower back dominant. Lunges, which are typically glutes and quads dominant. Horizontal presses, which are typically chest, tricep, and front shoulder dominant. Vertical presses, which are typically shoulder and tricep dominant. Horizontal pulls, which are typically rear shoulder, biceps, and upper back dominant. And vertical pulls, which are typically mid back and bicep dominant. If you have any questions about this, just drop them in the comments. What's funny is that as I'm recording this, right outside my house, they were delivering one of these expensive $2,000 exercise bikes to someone in front of my building. If you're spending that much money on exercise equipment, either you rich or you down bad. And this ain't a rich neighborhood. If they would have seen this video first, they would have saved a whole $2,000. Which is why the least you can do is hit the like button. If anything, you should send this video to about 30 of your friends because one of them might be down bad and be ready to blow a whole check on an expensive clothing hanger. All right, what's crazy is I've actually lost weight in the last few months, probably because I'm losing muscle. And for this reason, I'm not really gonna focus on weight loss right now. Instead, if anything, I'm trying to regain some of that muscle back. So for that reason, I'm not gonna go into too much detail about my nutrition right now because I know for most people, it's just not gonna be relevant. For now, I'm gonna give you one major life hack. First, you're gonna go ahead and download this app called Supercook. Then you're gonna go into your kitchen or check your fridge to see what ingredients you got. Add them into the app and click See Recipes. Now you can see all the recipes with your available ingredients. Besides that, if you really want to fix your nutrition, my number one advice will be just don't put it in your house. Go out to eat and enjoy it. If it's not in your house and you have to go outside and go get it, you're 10 times less likely to eat it. Just sign out of your Uber Eats account or whatever you're using so you're not tempted to order food throughout the week either. Now that I have all the moving pieces, I have to ask myself one final question. What are the biggest obstacles I'm gonna have? For me, right now, they are 1, creating the gym appointments. For this reason, I'm setting reminders on my phone to alert me to create the appointments at the same time every week. And 2, waking up early. Personally, if the clock hits 12 and I haven't gotten most of my important tasks of the day complete, I get anxiety and I'm likely to skip the gym in order to get them done. For that reason, I got these new smart LED bulbs. Not only do they save electricity, but you can also program them to turn on at any time. This way, instead of waking up to a loud alarm clock, which gives you more anxiety and makes you hate the mornings even more, you can wake up gently from the light because much like the sun, the blue light from the LED bulb signals to your body that it's time to wake up. With that being said, the game plan for the next 4 weeks is complete. With just 5 steps, I've created a simple winter workout routine that I'm excited about and also confident will be effective. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video. If you want to learn more about beginner sprint drills, click here. And if you want to learn more about sprinting benefits, click here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.